Mindfulness practices or mindfulness meditation are the most effective and scientifically proven stress coping mechanism that help to calm down your anxiety, help to overcome the pain that one is going through. Yes, it's true that when we go through distressful situations, troubling emotions, or mental disturbances, and for people those who have experienced severe trauma in their life, those past incidents keeps on coming back repeatedly as painful flashbacks, and it's very hard, almost impossible for them to wipe out those memories, to get rid of such incidents from their mind. It has been found that people even have moved on in their life, those past incidents have created such wound that it is still alive and fresh. It keep on haunting people, and it's like that they are reliving the episode, the chapter once again. It is right at that moment the mindfulness practices make your life a lot easier. The moment you have dropped down the battle, the moment you have stopped running away from the complicated situations, you will find that you have come to peace. All this stress, anxiety that we encounter in our life, all these painful memories, disturbing situations and emotions that are accumulated within us, all these act as demons within us that are killing us every day. And mindfulness is the drug to kill those demons. Mindfulness primes you to think in more rational way. You must have heard about mindfulness practices like yoga, meditation, progressive relaxation techniques, visualization techniques, focusing. But I would say mindfulness is way more than that. It is not just only a session. It is an outlook towards life. It helps to rechannelize your beliefs, your feelings, your thinkings in much healthier and more positive direction. Mindfulness is a human ability to be fully present, to be aware of what we are doing, where we are, and not to be overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Mindfulness energizes your mind to think in more pragmatic way. It primes you to accept the things the way they are without immediately rushing to fix or battling them or judging them. It enhances your observation and acceptance power. You observe the pain instead of battling, and this approach helps you to diminish the intensity of the pain that you are going through. Mindfulness orientation makes you aware about your surroundings, about the physical sensations of your body, that is your sight, sound, smell, touch. Just think, after having a bad day at your work or after a hectic day, you're trying to sit peacefully in a quiet place at your terrace. And right at that moment, you will be instantaneously bombarded with irritating thoughts or incidents that you encountered throughout the day. And the more you forcefully try to resist such thoughts coming to your mind, you will feel more entrapped. So the first thing that you have to tell to your mind that such thoughts are absolutely normal and natural in the process. Second, you have to distract your mind. It's a time to be aware about the physical sensations of your body. Think how the soft breeze is touching your face, touching your body parts, your skin, every cells. The more you streamline your attention, your focus to the physical sensation at the present moment, you will find that you have unknowingly eliminated those irritating thoughts. Next, focus at the present moment. Don't think of the future nor of the past. Don't think what will happen tomorrow. I have presentations to give or reports to submit. Nor think of the past, like why the person was so rude to me yesterday, or why my boss screamed at me today in the morning. Just focus at the present moment. Right now you're giving time to yourself. It's the time for self-love. It is your personal time for your own development because you owe this time to yourself. Accept the things the way they are. Sometimes it happens that our life does not go according to our plan. Sometimes it seems that the dimensions of our life are all screwed up. Don't rush to fix things. Stop battling the pain. Stop escaping or running away from it. Rather than focusing on what you cannot do, focus what you can do. Observe the pain as temporary and fleeting. Watch the pain objectively the way you watch pleasant moments. Don't make yourself too attached. We experience overwhelming, agonizing feeling because instead of accepting, we try to get rid of those pain, those feelings, and we start searching for painkillers. We think, when it will get over, when I can get rid of it. I have made a separate video on in-depth understanding about the essence of mindfulness, the link of which is given in the description box. If you want to indulge yourself in such emotional well-being techniques, heal your mind, and want to equip yourself forever to beat stress with various evidence-based techniques, you can enroll my course at Udemy, the link of which is given in the description box.